Okay, so we are going to be working on a VCAA 2008 Exam 2, Section 1, Question 18. So let our function with a domain equal or greater than 0 and equal to or less than pi over 2 be sketched with all real numbers. F of x is equal to sine 4x plus 1. The graph of f is transformed by a reflection in the x-axis followed by a dilation of factor of 4 from the y-axis. So the first thing we need to be thinking about here is this part of reflection in the x-axis. So for anything to be reflected in the x-axis, so if I have, say, a point here, 1 and 2, for that to be reflected, the y value is going to be changed. So that negative needs to be applied to everything in my function. So if I look at my function first, I'm really just saying I want a negative on that. So that means f of x is equal to sine 4x plus 1. I am literally going to put brackets around it and put a negative there. So straight away, this tells me that first thing I'm going to have is I'm going to have a negative sign. Oops, I should change it to G in a minute. Negative sign for x and take away 1. So let's look at what we have, because the next part has got dilation. So nothing's going to change here with the negative 1. And nothing's going to change the negative on the outside. So we already know that part. So we straight away, it could be B. If I look here, it can't be C, can't be A, go down in D. It's got positive 1 there. It can't be D, potentially can be E. So straight away with reflection, if we do it properly, we've only got 2 answers left. Now, if I look at my 4, that's already telling me what's happening with my period, but because it's a dilation of factor of 4 from the y-axis, so we know that if I write that and go my x, comma y, and from the y-axis, that is going to be affecting my x. So I've really got 4x, comma y. Now we know when we are putting that in to our function, that is going to be x over 4. Which means that 4 is cancelled out and becomes just x there. So straight away, I know it has to be E.